In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Magnet Mode works on TradingView and how to use it step by step, 2025. Magnet Mode is a simple but powerful feature that helps your drawings snap precisely to price levels, so your lines and shapes land exactly where you want them. This is especially useful when you're working with candlestick charts and want your anchors to align with real market data, not just the rough area where your mouse lands. First, open TradingView and head to any chart you like. It doesn't matter which symbol or time frame you're on, the feature works the same across the platform. Once your chart is up, look to the left sidebar and select any drawing tool. A common one to start with is the trend line, but Magnet Mode works with lots of drawing tools, including horizontal lines, rays, and shapes. With a drawing tool active, find the magnet icon on the toolbar. It looks like a small horseshoe magnet. Click it to turn Magnet Mode on. When it's enabled, your drawing anchors will snap automatically to nearby price points instead of floating freely. This gives you cleaner, more consistent technical drawings. Next, choose the magnet strength that fits your task. If you pick weak magnet, your drawings snap to nearby price levels, giving you a bit of flexibility while still guiding your cursor toward meaningful points. If you choose strong magnet, your anchors snap directly to the exact open, high, low, or close of the nearest candle. Strong is perfect when you need precision, like aligning a trend line to the exact highs or lows of a swing. Now try drawing on the chart. As you place and move your points, notice how each anchor locks into place on those price levels. You'll see it grab the nearest relevant level, helping you avoid tiny misplacements caused by hand movement or zoom level. If you adjust a point afterward, it continues to snap as you drag, making it easy to refine without losing accuracy. When you're done using it, turning Magnet Mode off is just as simple. Click the magnet icon again to toggle it off. Your drawing tools will return to free placement, which can be handy for broader sketching or when you want more manual control. That's the core workflow. Open a chart, pick a drawing tool, enable Magnet Mode, choose weak or strong depending on your precision needs, draw and adjust as it snaps, and toggle it off when you're finished. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.